Hi everyone, welcome back to my commerce class. Today let's start with a new chapter, fire insurance. Okay, fire insurance claim. How you are going to find the claim amount. So let us know the meaning of fire insurance. Fire insurance is a policy that is taken by the businessman to get a compensation for the loss or the damage which happens due to fire accident. Okay, so we are going to find the claim amount, the compensation what you are going to claim from the insurance company when this accident happens and when there is a damage of your materials in the business. Okay, and you can claim the amount only if you have purchased the policy from the insurance company, and for that you have paid insurance premium regularly. So now let's come to the accounting part. What's the procedure of preparing various statements to find the claim amount? Okay, so we have 5 main stages to find the claim amount. The first one, we need to prepare the trading account, that is for the previous year. The information which is available in the books of accounts to be considered to prepare the trading account. So why we are preparing the trading account? Because we need to find the percentage of gross profit on sales, which is essential for the preparation of memorandum trading account. Okay, for the current year, you may not get the information related to closing stock, the materials, the stock value which was there in the godown or the business when this accident happened. Okay, fire accident happened. To find the value of closing stock, you have to prepare memorandum trading account. Okay, so where you are going to find the gross profit first, and then you will arrive the closing stock value. And based on that, you are preparing a statement where you are going to consider the value of materials which have been saved from the fire accident. And sometimes what happens, the people may take the insurance policy for less than the value what they have in the closing stock. Okay, so when there is an under insurance, we call it as under insurance. When there is an under insurance, the claim amount to be reduced proportionately by the application of an equation, and that is called average class. Okay, so let us see the format of all these stages. Okay, first one, you are going to prepare trading account. The same format what we follow, the same format, debit and credit. We start with the opening stock and purchases. If there is a returns, we have to take returns also. Okay, so like wages and other expenses, manufacturing, carriage inwards, all these expenses to be taken. And credit side, sales less returns, and closing stock what is given in the problem, that is to be considered. And you are going to derive the gross profit. This is a value what you are going to derive. Okay, and based on this value, you are going to find the percentage of gross profit on sales. Okay, percentage of gross profit on sales. The gross profit what you have derived to be taken here, and the sales value what is there, that sales value to be taken, and you have to find the percentage of the sales. This is the equation to be applied to find percentage of gross profit on sales. Okay, gross profit divided by sales into 100. So this percentage will be considered here. Okay, third stage, that is a memorandum trading account. So from the day one of the financial year of the business till the date of fire. Okay, so this you are preparing till the date of fire. So maybe 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. Okay, for that period you are preparing. So sometimes you may get information related to your closing stock. You may not get the information related to the stock what you have kept in the place where the accident happened. So to find the actual value of stock what was there at the time of accident, you are going to prepare this memorandum trading account. Okay, so the last year closing stock what you had, that becomes the opening stock year. Okay, and purchases what you have done till the date of fire, wages what expenses happened till the date of fire to be considered. Like by sales, whatever you have done till the date of fire to be taken. Okay, and this is the percentage on sales what you have taken, maybe 20% or 25% what you are going to derive, that is to be considered. 20% on sales you are going to calculate yourself. So, okay, first you're writing gross profit and the balance what you get, okay, the balance what you get becomes the closing stock. The stock what was there at the time of fire accident, okay. And later you have to prepare a statement. What is that statement? To find the loss of stock, okay. Stock on the date of fire as per the memorandum trading account. As per memorandum trading account, what you get, the closing stock, that will be taken here. And sometimes even after accident you may get some materials which is saved, not damaged, that is to be subtracted. And what all the expenses you have incurred to extinguish the fire to be added. And this is the loss of stock. And if the insurance is taken equal to the amount of stock, and this becomes the claim amount. But sometimes your insurance money may be less than the stock what you had in the godown. Okay, that's what we call it as under insurance. When there is an under insurance, you are going to reduce your claim amount proportionately to the amount stock what you had in the stock go down at the time of fire accident. Okay, for that you have to apply this equation. Okay, policy amount into loss of stock divided by stock on the date of fire. This equation helps to find the exact claim amount according to your the value of stock what was there in the go down. Okay, so this is how you are going to calculate claim amount under fire insurance problems. Okay, so fire insurance claims prepared to find the compensation amount. Okay, so you have to get this compensation amount. For that you are going to do all these things. So this is only format I have taken here. So in the coming video I'll take the values to find the closing stock and also to find the claim amount. So wait for the next video. Like, share and subscribe to get the further notification of my videos. Okay.